So my last step whenever I'm doing my makeup is I like to finish with my lips. I'm not really a big, bold lip kind of person on an everyday basis. Even with some eyes as like dramatic and bold as I have on right now, I still kind of like to keep my lips a little more simple and on like the easy and quick side, especially because like it's my last step and I usually have to rush out the door. So what I'm going to do for this is kind of my everyday go-to look. It's simple, it's easy, but it looks really glam. So I'm going to take a lip pencil. This one happens to be the Maybelline Color Essential Precision Lip Liner. And this is in the color 20 or Nude. So, but any kind of nude lip liner will work for this. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to just very, very quickly line my lips just to make sure that there's not any of that foundation, because I don't get foundation lips. I don't do that, but it can kind of be like a white cast. And now that I've lined my lips, I'm going to try to fill them in just a little bit on the sides and on my Cupid's bow just to give it a little more depth and dimension. Okay, so now that's done, I'm going to take, so this is the L'Oreal Paris. This is part of the Color Riche Shine collection, their new lip. They're not really lipsticks, they're not really lip toppers, they're not really a lip gloss. I'm not sure exactly how to describe the formula of this guy, but I love it. It has some really great color, but at the same time, oops, I have blush still on the back of my hand. I'm gonna swatch this guy really quickly for you. So it has some good color and it can build up really nicely, but it's not completely matte. It's very shiny, as you can see. It's just beautiful, and it's not totally opaque. It's opaque-ish, but it has enough of that like kind of shine. So I love this when you're in a hurry. You can just like slap this on. You don't have to be like super precise, and it still looks beautiful. So this is in the color 904 in Varnished Rosewood. So I'm just gonna put this on really quickly. And there you go. It's sort of like a lipstick and gloss all in one, that you have some nice color, especially with the lip liner underneath, but then it also has that really great shine, and so it's like you kind of did the gloss and the lipstick all in one step. And I think it's beautiful. So thank you so much for making it to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found some interesting tips and tricks, and I can't wait to see all of your beautiful looks that you create. Makeup is an art. You can play with it, you can have fun, and everybody can have the most beautiful looks because it's on you. Everyone's unique, and I hope you find what works for you. Love you all.